Samsung is gearing up to launch its highly anticipated flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, during the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22, 2025. This device is set to redefine expectations for premium smartphones, blending cutting-edge technology with innovative design. The S25 Ultra is rumored to showcase significant design enhancements, including a sleeker, more ergonomic build with rounded corners, providing a more comfortable grip compared to its predecessor's sharper edges. Additionally, Samsung is expected to introduce an advanced version of Gorilla Glass Armor, featuring integrated anti-reflective technology that improves both durability and display clarity, making it a standout for durability-conscious users. Performance upgrades are also at the forefront, with the device rumored to include Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, ensuring unparalleled speed and efficiency. The phone is also expected to push boundaries in camera technology, possibly featuring a groundbreaking 200MP primary sensor, advanced AI capabilities, and improved zoom functionality for photography enthusiasts. Other anticipated features include a longer-lasting battery, faster charging technology, and even more seamless integration with Samsung's broader ecosystem of devices and services. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game-changer, poised to compete fiercely in the premium smartphone market by offering a unique combination of performance, design, and innovation. As excitement builds ahead of its official launch, it's clear that Samsung aims to solidify its position as a leader in the tech industry with this bold new addition to the Galaxy lineup.